How to install Debian from a USB drive. I've got a shining new x64 laptop running Windows 7 and I want to dual boot Debian stable. I've installed Ubuntu on loads of laptops in the past using a USB drive, but I can't find decent instructions for installing Debian like the Ubuntu instructions. I've installed Debian from CD a couple of times in the past too, but my new machine doesn't have an optical drive. The questions are: which files do I need from the Debian download page? How do I make the Debian files on a USB drive bootable? Does the Debian installer have a disk partitioner, like the Ubuntu one does? Reading the installation guide it seems not to, which would be another hurdle. If this is the case, which partitioner can I use?
Download UNetbootin, which allows one to create bootable USB installation media for almost any Linux and BSD distribution out of the box. Just run it, select Debian, choose the USB drive and wait while it downloads the ISO and transfers it to your USB. After that it's bootable, and the install works like from a CD.
If you're on Linux, the easiest way is to simply do, as per the docs. Where X is your drive letter, you can find out the correct letter by checking the output of news right after connecting your USB device. For example, for me, and probably many, it would be /dev/sdb. This will wipe everything from your USB drive, so be careful. Update. For completeness, I should also mention Rufus for Windows.
Open Debian download page and download the right CD, DVD for your PC. Most likely, if you have a modern computer, you'll want an 64 version. I'd suggest to choose CD because today you'll probably have a broadband connection and you'll be able to download other needed packages later very quickly. If you use Linux terminal you can use DD to prepare your USB stick. ISO file name in this command is just an example, you'll have to use your downloaded ISO name and path. dd if equals /your/path/debian 7.5.0 i386 netins.iso if equals /dev/sdxbs equals 4 meters. Sync. See Debian official instructions here. Edit, added sync, for flash device writes before ejecting the USB device. Modern Debian versions include a partitioning tool and wizard. The process should be fairly easy, as pointed out in all the guides. Here's one.
So far the easiest way I have found is where X is the drive letter assigned to the device, seed needs right after inserting the USB. As seen in the Debian instructions.
Ich vill varmt ta så tar det handel, för att det kanske är så trevligt.